Hello, welcome. Today let's try to solve another Leetcode problem, 714. Best time to buy and sell stock with transaction fee. So for this problem, it's similar to best time to buy and sell stock with cooldown. So this is my code for the best time to buy and sell stock with cooldown. As you can see inside, there's a cooldown state. So I'm going to use this template to solve our problems. Just change a little bit line for solving this problem with the transaction fee. Let's understand the transaction fee first. You may not engage in multiple transactions simultaneously, i.e., you must sell the stock before you buy it again. So it's the same for other stock problem. Now, the transaction fee is only charged once for each stock purchased and sold. So it means the transaction fee must be purchased and sold. After that, you will sacrifice a 2 of transaction fee. For example, let's try this example 1. So we buy in at index 0, we get a 1. Sell it at prices index 3, we get a 8. Yeah. So this is a 1 transaction. We need to minus a 2. So it's minus 1 and minus 2. And also, we're going to start from 4 and to 9. From 4, buy it. And in 9, we're going to sell it. At the same time, we need to minus a transaction fee of 2. After that, we're going to get a result of 8. As you can see, this is no different from other stock problems, especially for the best time to buy and sell stock with cooldown. Let me explain a little bit about the cooldown. If you don't understand my method, or you can check in my Leetcode video 309 for the best time and buy and sell stock with cooldown. I had a very detailed explanation of what did I mean. Basically I use two methods to solve the problems. Normally, for one method is the decision tree, another method is the state machine. Let me just it takes time. I didn't know it is closed. Let me first go to the code editor to explain the code, and later on explain a little bit about the state machine and decision tree. So for the cooldown, so this is the template code. So I'm going to use a cast with DFS. So this is n is just the length of the prices. So if this I index, it means for the index of the prices array. So if it is more than or equal to n, it means it is out of the boundary. I need to return a value of 0. Now I have a cooldown, and no matter which state I'm holding it or not holding it, I will always have a cooldown state because I can have a decision of cooldown. The cooldown just means my current state. If I am in the holding state, it means I'm holding a ticket. I've already bought it. So I have a cooldown with the holding. So if the holding is true, I'm going to sell it. If the holding is not true, it means not holding, so I'm going to buy it. But no matter which way, I will always have a cooldown. So this cooldown will be compared with buy and sell. So this is basically the Leetcode 309 for best time to buy and sell stock with transaction with cooldown. And here there's only one difference, so that is the transaction fee. I will change a little bit of the code, but before that, let me try to explain the method. So it is not. So I'm not going to explain the image of decision tree and state machine. You can check the videos in 309 for my posted YouTube videos. It's basically I had give a very detailed explanation of best time to buy and sell stock with cooldown. If you understand the cooldown code, we just need to change a little bit to make the transaction fee work. Basically for the cooldown, after you sell it, you have to wait for 1 day. But for our problem, we don't need to have that limitation. It means we can just use I plus 1. It means after I sell it, I can go to the next day. So for the next day, I can buy it or keep it in the cooldown state. So this is the only difference. And also, Here, I need to pay the transaction fee, but where should I pay? Should I pay it in the buy or should I pay it from the sell? I should pay it from a whole circle after buy and sell. It means I have to pay it from the sell. If I buy it, I pay it, so I will get a wrong answer. Because I didn't go to the sell, I have to finish one loop after buy and after sell the ticket. Yeah, and then I will pay a transaction fee. So here I will plus the prices I and minus the transaction fee. So here it will be a fee. Now I think this is the entire code. As you can see, there are just two changes. So one is fee. We need to minus a fee after go to the sell state. So go to the sell state, we get a price. We need to minus the transaction fee. And also for the sell, for the next state, we just need to use DFS I plus 1, not 2, because we don't need to wait for 1 day until we buy it. So for here, DFS I plus 1 false, it means we are going to the next state. It is a not holding state. So we can do the buy or we can keep the cooldown. Yeah, basically this is the entire code. Now let me run it to check if it works. As you can see, it works. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. As you can see, it passed for all the testing cases. Although it is a little bit slow, but I still think it is okay. Yeah, only if maybe the Leetcode give a limitation. We cannot use the DFS plus memorization to pass for the Leetcode. Maybe we can try some tabulation to solve the problem. Yeah, thank you for watching. I will prepare more stock price problems. See you next time.